English-Azerbaijani. Can equals.
bilmək,
Master, I can, fast. Welcome and today's goal. Hey, friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you unlock the English-Azerbaijani verb can so you speak with confident energy. Your mission, master can equals.
bilmək,
By the end you'll say, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can, naturally and fast. Comedy warm-up. If confidence had a coffee, it would sip and say, I can, then wink in as.
mən bacarıram,
Your forms at a glance. Say them out loud with me, short, strong, and smiling. Can.
bilmək,
I can.
mən bacarıram,
You can, singular.
sən bacarırsan,
He can.
o bacarır,
She can.
o bacarır,
It can.
o edə bilər,
We can.
biz bacarırıq,
You can, plural.
siz bacarırsınız,
They can.
onlar edə bilərlər,
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Act it out, you're the star. Keep it light and playful. A. Nervous about the open mic? You can do this. B. Thanks. In as.
mən bacarıram,
Deep breath. A. If the mic squeaks, relax, you can fix it.
sən bacarırsan,
B. And the soundboard? It can handle more volume.
o edə bilər,
A. The host's great, he can calm the crowd.
o bacarır,
B. And the headliner? She can improvise anything.
o bacarır,
A. We can cheer for you.
biz bacarırıq,
Crowd. You, all, can sing along.
siz bacarırsınız,
Manager. The team says they can wrap the show on time.
onlar edə bilərlər,
Call and response drill. Repeat after me, short beats, strong voice. You've got this. Base modal. Can equals.
bilmək,
I can.
mən bacarıram,
You can.
sən bacarırsan,
He can.
o bacarır,
She can.
o bacarır,
It can.
o edə bilər,
We can.
biz bacarırıq,
You, plural, can.
siz bacarırsınız,
They can.
onlar edə bilərlər,
Bonus grin. If Bill makes skills, Azerbaijani says.
bilmək,
Makes skills, ha. Culture tip. A tiny proverb, a giant confidence boost. A popular saying.
bilmək ayıb deyil, öyrənməmək ayıbdır.
Translation. Knowing isn't shameful, refusing to learn is. So smile, try again, and say.
Mən bacarıram,
Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. I'll pause for you. Q1. English, can, in Azerbaijani? A.
bilmək,
Q2. Say, you can, to a friend. A.
sən bacarırsan,
Q3. He can, and, she can. A.
o bacarır,
And.
o bacarır,
Q4. It can, like a device can start.
O edebilir.
Q5. We can as a team. A.
Biz bacarırıq.
Q6. You can to a group. A.
Siz bacarırsınız.
Q7. They can. A.
Onlar edebilirler.
Speak up challenge. Your turn. Keep it fun and punchy. Complete aloud. I can finish today. Start with.
Mən bacarıram.
Encourage a friend. You can do it.
Sən bacarırsan.
Point to a device. It can restart.
O edebilir.
Hype your team. We can win.
Biz bacarırıq.
Address the whole class. You can pass this.
Siz bacarırsınız.
Praise a hard-working group. They can solve it.
Onlar edebilirler.
Thanks and next steps. You did great, seriously. Keep the momentum. Remember, can equals.
Bilmək.
Use your power phrases daily.
Mən bacarıram. Sən bacarırsan. O bacarır. O edebilir. Biz bacarırıq. Siz bacarırsınız. Onlar edebilirler.
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice a little every day. For more lessons, exercises, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.